Hello and welcome back to another episode of Zach Does It. In last week's episode, we finished doing the mechanical checks, starting with the oils and all the components that need lubrication, namely the engine, the transmission, and the differential. During that mechanical check, we also discovered a small amount of glitter or small metal particles that were floating or suspended in the oil, specifically the transmission and differential oils. Thankfully, the engine oil appears to have come out clean, but that very well could be the result of having a non-magnetic plug. Don't worry, I've got a magnetic one to replace it with, so we're good on that front. I did also order some crush washers, so I'll have that covered as well. That brings us to today's episode, and Zach has a little bit of packing to do before he heads back to Philly. So I'm going to kick it back to him and let him continue on the journey that he started 6 months ago. Well, I'm cleaned up. I'm in my comfortable clothes so I can drive home in a comfortable and clean car. And somehow I have to try to get all of this in there. So I'm going to try my best, and we'll see how far we get. We won't know until we try. Well, it got close, but unfortunately the Miata just isn't big enough. I'm thoroughly impressed. Once I got rid of everything, all the junk that was inside Mama, we've been able to actually recover a lot of usable space. I was actually really impressed with how much I was able to fit in the trunk. And the sill behind the seats actually stores a lot of stuff as well. So we're taking full advantage of everything we can, and that's okay in my book. Well, nice job, Zach. I never realized how much of a black hole the Miata was. I mean, the sky is absolutely the limit with how much stuff you can fit in there. Now that we're all packed up, though, we have one last agenda item before Zach can get home to Philly and start on some of the new projects he's been waiting for. Since we've started this project, this entire interior teardown and mechanical check, Mama Miata has not had a proper wash. So to close out this episode, just go ahead and kick back, relax, and one more time, let's just enjoy just how big of a transformation Mama Miata's undergone over the past 6 months. And that's it for this episode. If you're new around here, thank you so much for watching and sticking through to the end, and I hope you stick around for future updates. And for those who have been here since the beginning, thank you so much for sticking around for this journey. It means a lot that you shared this experience, and I can't wait for future projects. That's it for me though, and I can't wait to see you in next week's episode where we get into some more projects and check off one more item on the to-do list on our road to building the perfect getaway road trip car for two. It's not practical, but it's perfect for what I want. That's it for me though. I'll see you on the next one.